So, guys, welcome to E Times. And
Thank
like,
you.
how are you guys doing in this pandemic? Obviously, these are testing times. And how are you keeping yourself sane at home?
By doing this, no matter what happens, I keep
Smile.
smiling, keep laughing, So, yeah, I
Okay.
mean,
I think
that's the
we've been
only,
really busy. Sorry,
Mhm.
yeah.
go on, Sanam.
I mean, we've been busy also and not busy at the same time. Um, because in terms of music, I don't think, like, I'm personally not doing much. I'm not able to do much, being honest.
Mm.
Um, but at the same time, busy sorting out other stuff because of the pandemic itself, like home stuff and all that, and, taking care of a lot of people, also in the family. And yeah, I mean, these little things are on. So, yeah.
Okay. Keshav,
Yeah.
for you?
Yeah, so same thing. We've just been like really, really busy getting things done. So there are a lot of issues that are happening in the building, friends, family. So we're trying our best to kind of, do as much help as we can. Uh, and in terms of music, like we've just been able to like do the basic, the bare minimum of like, work on a few songs, little bit here and there, go somewhere, shoot something. But you can't travel during lockdown.
Right.
It's not
Yeah.
easy. We have to find really remote places to go to and stuff. But yeah, and just basic stuff like that. But other than that, nothing else really.
Okay. So
Venki, the
let me
question
just
was,
welcome Venki. Yeah.
sorry.
Welcome to the E Times, Venki. Thank you for joining
Hey,
us.
what's
So,
up?
how have you been? How is this pandemic treating you?
It's been okay for me. I'm just very fortunate that I live in a place like this, and pandemic hasn't had any adverse effects on me. So yeah,
Okay. So, talking about your initiative, tell me something about it and what was the idea behind it? Like, how did you guys come up with
Sukun
it?
hai Sanam. Sukun hai Sanam.
Ah,
Yeah,
Sukun
Sukun.
Asam.
Yeah,
Well, I think it's great that a lot of people have been relying on nostalgia
right.
for them to remember the good times. Have you watched the Friends reunion?
Oh, yeah, I watched it last night.
So you
And
get my point. My
yeah,
point is that the world has changed, and like even for like a lot of people, and even for people who are from a different generation, world goes by, a pandemic will come, they'll see technology come through, but that the way you felt when you heard a certain kind of music, for me it's like certain, it was the music videos I grew up with.
right.
uh, for certain people it's aradhana, when they
Hmm,
listen to the hit songs from that movie,
right.
it takes them back there, so I think a lot of our renditions, the songs in the movies were so fantastic because they're just always going to remind you of a good time, and
Right.
our versions of it are not really like that. We keep the soul of the song, but we have our own interpretation, and it means a little different to us, maybe because we're of a different generation.
Hmm.
And the people who listen to our music are like people of all ages, and they live in different parts of the world.
Right.
And I think the most common connect is the word sukoon, like they find some peace in that. And I
Hmm,
think that's what's really beautiful about music in a time like the pandemic, because there's so much unpredictable stuff, like what's going to happen, with the next day you hear all kinds of things, this thing works, this thing doesn't work. So those
right.
are things out of your control. So what's in your control is what you can do to keep your sanity,
Yeah.
and whether it's good practices like exercise and meditation, eating good food, keeping healthy. And I think music, as Sanam was saying in another interview, the vibrations are very important.
Right.
Rhythmic stuff to just keep you in a space that will help you overcome any difficulty that you'd face in your life, whether it's personal or if it's work related or anything.
Right.
Yeah,
Keshav.
I'd also
Yeah.
like to just add to that.
Yeah.
So basically, even last year we started getting a lot of these messages from fans
Hmm.
saying that our music has, taken them, helped them through a difficult time. And now, because of the second wave that's happened, we started getting more and more of these messages.
Right.
And their family and friends and a lot of fans who were saying that, when they were in the hospital and they didn't have signal to
Hmm.
even talk to their family, they downloaded a lot of our songs, and that was just on repeat. and that's what has gotten them through.
Hmm.
There were fans that were saying that they were alone at home in isolation, and the only thing that they had to keep them company was our music.
Right.
So that's why we decided to. So Sanam and me had spoken about that, and then that's when we got in touch with Saregama, and
Mm-hmm.
we asked them, if we can do something about this, put together a playlist that'll make it easier for people to, just listen to a few songs, like, back to back, that might give them some sort of strength that they probably felt that they didn't have when they were
Mm-hmm.
listening to these songs.
Right.
So
Sanam, you would like to
that's the
add
reason behind
anything
it.
to this?
Yeah, the same thing. Basically, we were getting a lot of messages from people saying that our songs are helping them cope with these difficult times.
Mm-hmm.
उनको बहुत हेल्प मिल रही थी क्योंकि बहुत सारे फैमिलीज में कितने सारे डेथ्स हुए हैं और our songs really help them bring them back to reality.
Hmm.
So because क्या होता है कि इतना इतना सारा सैडनेस है हर जगह,
Right.
इतने सारे डेथ्स हो रहे हैं तो ऑब्वियसली सैडनेस होना ही है, लेकिन कोई तो चीज होनी चाहिए जो उनको कोई रिलीफ दे, पेन से पीस की तरफ लेके जाए. तो
Right.
fortunately our songs have been able to do that, and we didn't know until we started getting messages from people, and then
Mhm.
we thought, why not make a playlist with all the soft songs that people will feel calm listening to.
Right.
So that's what the playlist is all about. सुकून मिले उनको सबको गाने सब.
Right. So you guys have not recorded it now, right? आपने वो पुराने videos को merge करके you have created that playlist, right?
Yes, yeah. There's nothing new that I mean, there is other stuff that we've done which will come out in a few months, but the newer stuff is not there yet. In that, इसमें सारे वो जो हमने रिलीज किए हैं जो भी लास्ट 6-7 years में, उनमें जो हमें लगा गाने लोगों को हेल्प करेंगे, तो वो हमने डाले हैं. और एक तरह से कुछ लोगों को रिमाइंडर भी मिल गया कि जिनको याद नहीं रहेगा कि हम उस टाइम एग्जिस्ट करते थे, तो उनके लिए भी रिमाइंडर आ जाएगा. हाँ.
Okay.
Also, there's like different types of music.
Right.
So like when you're looking for some sort of peace or whatever, so for you to be able to find a playlist and put together something like that sometimes is a little difficult, because there's dance songs, there's like hip hop, there's like a whole bunch of other stuff.
Right.
So this is something that is just there, and it's like out there, so anybody can just click on it and they just listen to like peaceful music for a while. So
In fact,
that's what
गाने ऐसे हैं होंगे जो जिन्होंने लग जा गले आपकी नजरों ने सुना है, उनको पता नहीं कि हमारे और भी गाने हैं, है ना?
Right.
क्योंकि कुछ होते हैं, एक गाना सुन लिया तो उनको रियलाइज नहीं होता कि और भी हो सकते हैं, तो इसमें उनको कुछ नए गाने भी सुनाई दे जाएंगे जो शायद उनको हेल्प करे. तो
Okay.
Yeah.
So before we go ahead, like, why don't you guys just sing something for our viewers? It would be great.
Okay. एक प्रॉब्लम है क्योंकि हम तीनों अलग अलग जगह हैं, तो एक लेटेंसी का प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है.
चलेगा,
तो-
like we'll manage somewhat. चलेगा.
Yeah, Sanam
So
can just
maybe-
probably sing.
I'm just thinking, केशव वेंकी,
Yeah, you
आप
just sing.
बताओ.
You just sing.
स्नेहा, आप बताओ कौन सा गाना सुनना चाहोगे?
Anything you like from the album, you can sing it out. हमें तुमसे
Okay.
प्यार कितना, you can sing that. Like, I तो just love that song.
Okay. हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना.
Yeah.
तुम्हें कोई और देखे तो जलता है दिल, बड़ी मुश्किलों से फिर संभलता है दिल, क्या क्या जतन करते हैं तुम्हें क्या पता, ये दिल बेकरार कितना ये हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना, हाँ हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना.
That was amazing. Thank
you so much.
Thank you so much. So yeah, this reminds me, like, जब भी मैं आपके YouTube channel पे comments देखती हूँ, one comment which is very constant कि you guys are not ruining the old classics. So how do you take these compliments? Like ये एक comment ना मैंने आपके हर वीडियो पे देखा, हर एक वीडियो पे ये एक comment constant है. So how do you take these compliments?
We take it with all humbleness, and हम जो म्यूजिक कर रहे हैं, हमारा जो मकसद है, our aim is to spread love, and
Right.
spread as much peace as possible in the world through our music. And the fact, as long as we can do that, comments really make us feel like we're doing the right thing, because um, of the reaction that we get from people, and the what they feel listening to our music, and the fact that they feel that there is purity in what we do.
Mhm.
The fact that they are getting our message is all that we want, and yeah, that makes us so happy, and we feel very, very grateful to the higher power that exists, and also the people around us for supporting us and helping us through the journey.
Keshav, you would like to add anything to this?
Yeah, so like Sanam said, the comments are something that just probably add to what we're doing, but the main intent for us is to make good music and spread love and positivity, and put out something that we feel is genuine from
Right.
our side at least. And so yeah, there are comments that are very sweet. Luckily, we're fortunate to have some really loving fans,
Right.
and but there are also funny comments here and there, so we kind of just like read them once in a while. And I think most importantly, when we release a song, we follow it for a day or two, just see what's going on, and then after that we just move on to the next,
Okay.
Yeah.
because there's so much stuff to do. Like, since everything that we do on our own, from
Hmm.
the making of the song to the videos and everything, so it
Yes.
takes a lot of time and effort, so we have to just leave it and move on to the next song.
Okay.
So we don't spend too much time thinking about this.
So ऐसा कोई mean comment that you remember, ऐसा कोई पढ़ा है आपने and like you laughed out loud कि ये क्या है, like what is this comment, ऐसा कभी हुआ है?
I'm sure they are. I don't remember, but
It's very hard to remember them immediately. So
Okay.
they're not too
Yeah.
many, but they are few here and there. Some pretty
Okay.
funny ones.
Okay.
But yeah, I don't remember from the top of my head. Venki, remember any comments?
sorry, I'm
Funny
getting
comments?
Just funny comments. Sometimes they call the band name someone, or like random.
Okay.
They
अच्छा.
misspell something, or yeah. And I like the spellings when it's misspelled. It's funny.
Okay. Okay, cool. So, like talking about the remix culture in Bollywood or in general in the music industry, what are your thoughts on that? Like today's singers and composers totally kill the vibe when they make a remix, but that is clearly not the case with you guys. So, what are your thoughts on the remix culture which is happening like right now in the industry?
it's so you see, honestly, we are no one to comment on what other people do.
Hmm.
Um, but other than that, I would say, I feel it's all about your intention. What is your intention behind doing what you do? Basically what I feel is the intention. A lot of people I know for sure do remakes with the intention of probably just getting views and probably getting some fame and validation.
Right.
Maybe to prove something.
Hmm.
But we for sure are not don't do it from that sense at all, because what we want is first of all, we don't even think कि, हमें इससे ये achieve करना. Absolutely, all of us feel a lot of love for people, and I think it reflects through our music. I mean, that's what we have heard from people. So we're just telling you it back to you guys.
Okay, cool.
See,
So,
like, all we can do is do what we know how to do, and it seems to be working. So there's no particular formula that we've kind of cracked or anything of that sort. It's what you listen to is just something that's come out from us naturally, organically,
right.
and that's what it is.
बट रिसेंटली या फिर लाइक इन द पास्ट ऐसा कोई गाना है जो सुन के एकदम क्रिंज वाली फीलिंग आ गई हो कि ये क्या रिमिक्स बना दिया यार, इंसल्ट हो गया सॉन्ग का, ऐसा कभी हुआ है?
I don't think anybody intentionally wants to make bad music, but
Yeah, that's there. But still, there are songs like
I just would say good luck to people who remake songs and who are into doing their own versions. I mean, we do the same, but we do it in a certain way, which is,
right.
comes natural to us. Maybe they're not used to it, or I don't know. Like, I've just over the years felt like I've gotten more tolerant to listening to any kind of music and trying to find the good things in each thing. So,
Okay,
each their own.
right.
To
Yeah,
each their own. And honestly, I don't even listen to much music. Pata nahi, probably in a week I'll listen to a song without lyrics altogether. But beach mein, at times, Venki, Keshav and I and Samar, we at times discuss some artists that come up,
Mhm.
and we just discuss कि उसका गाना अच्छा है, ये सब बस ये है.
Okay, take care.
Yeah.
And like talking about your Bollywood journey, Sanam, you have been a part of a lot of songs, but still we don't get to see you very often. Like I'm sure you guys must have got offers from Bollywood, but ऐसा कोई reason है particular, just like you guys have stayed away from Bollywood for so long?
Um, so it's not that we want to stay away from Bollywood. It's
Mhm.
just the experience. So reason why I can tell you mine for sure because of playback.
Right.
So I usually don't enjoy anything in controlled environment because I'm a very free person from within.
Mhm.
So a place where it's like, come at this time and studios booked from this time to this time, and we've got this much, we've got deadlines. Whenever there's a deadline, I just cannot work. I don't function well, and it's not like I haven't done it. I've done it many times. In fact, all
Mhm.
the songs that I've done for Bollywood, that I've sung for Bollywood, are all deadline based. But the thing is, I do not enjoy the process. And for me, life is not about, I want to be famous or any of that. It's more about I want to enjoy now, the
Mhm.
present moment as much as possible. And the more I'm learning to say no to the things I don't want to do, the better I feel about myself. So yeah, I mean that's what it is, and I enjoy the most with the band. There's so much freedom here. I love these guys so much, and it's this is the best place to be, really.
But as a band, were you guys offered any Bollywood film or something?
We do. It keeps coming up here and there, but
Mhm.
like Sanam said, for us, it's not a need. Like it's not like array mila to we have to do it like that.
Mhm.
So we kind of see like which there are a couple of projects that have given us freedom to do things the way we would like to do it, and those kind of projects. So when those things come up, we do explore it a little bit here and there.
Mhm.
But most of the time, it's like you're not making music. So this whole making music for movies is completely different from what we do. We make music because we like to make it a particular way, and that's our expression. There
Right.
you have
Yes.
to kind of mold the song to fit the scene. So
Mhm.
what the director wants, the producer wants, the actor wants, you have to kind of do that, and that's a different skill, and there are a lot of people who are good at that.
Right.
So we probably don't fall into that category, and we don't enjoy it as much. So as and
Yeah.
when good projects come up here and there that give us the freedom, we
Mhm.
Yeah.
will
Why not? We will
explore
truly
that.
do. Yeah. Yeah. We're not like against anything, but we just want to enjoy the process. Yeah.
Okay, cool. So you guys started back in 2010 and like the journey has been amazing for you. Like how would you describe these years of your band? How would you describe that individually?
Thank
Venki,
you.
you want to
Want to
start?
say?
The music
Go
has
through it.
changed quite a bit, I must say.
Mhm.
But we are all friends who've played in bands together. We've played on stages, various stages in different parts of the world, whether it was in school at uh, like a small cultural, or if it was a college competition,
Right.
and then it went on to competitions for with record labels. Then it went to playing our original music at colleges, and people loved that.
Mhm.
Then we went into this rendition space, and people all around the world got to discover us through things like this playlist,
Mhm.
through YouTube or whatever, or word of mouth. And then we went and played in various countries which likes this kind of music, but they are like they have, for them, like we are like cultural ambassadors because we are going there and performing,
Right.
and
Mhm.
they want a bit of that Indian entertainment, Indian culture through music, so they lap it up. And for us it's just a great experience because we probably wouldn't have explored those countries and met these lovely people who come out to
Mhm.
the shows otherwise. And then there's social media, and we stay in touch with some fans and all kinds of things, YouTube events, and I guess that the journey has been very very interesting so far. It's had like all kinds of things that we never thought we'd be doing when we just started off.
Mhm.
And yeah, let's see where the road goes ahead.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think when we started off, we were we didn't know much about anything
Mhm.
about the industry. The only thing that we knew was what we would see on TV and YouTube, about how artists get to a particular level and those kind of things. So we were excited for a number of reasons,
Right.
and we started off with a record deal with Times of India, at Times Music, and
Yeah.
we were like really excited about the first album, and this recording in a studio and how the promotions are going to be. And slowly over time, we realized that those were not things that are genuinely something that will make us happy.
Mhm.
And we realized that the industry is more complicated than we thought it was. It's not as easy as just releasing a song and becoming famous when your life is set. So slowly, I think gradually over time, we've learned so much. We've become really strong as individuals. We've become really strong as a group. We've learned, that these things that are happening in the industry and whatever, those are all like temporary stuff. What's really important is about how you live your life, how you are with your family and friends, the
Mhm.
happiness that you can get. And I think we're living our lives based on that and nothing else. So the fact that we get to make music together, the fact that we get to release it, perform on stage in different countries, that's all just like an additional bonus.
Right.
But we are more than just that. We like to spend time together, we like to travel together, we like to eat together and do those kind of things. So those are all things that you develop and learn over time, and we are quite grateful to have gone through a journey such as this, where we've had a lot of ups and downs, and we've learned so many different things that we wouldn't have otherwise learned.
Right.
But everything we're very grateful for, actually. Ups and downs. For us, it's the same thing. Main thing is, we are with time we are learning more and more to be happy in any situation,
Mhm.
and that's what's important.
Okay. So, like, before we sign out, I have a small rapid fire for you guys. Okay. Like, let's start.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. If you could hear songs of only one person for the rest of your life, who would you pick?
Thank you.
What? Sorry.
It's a
Tough
difficult
one.
question.
Anything.
Very difficult question for
You
a
can
rapid
pick your
fire.
own
Hey, look
songs.
at him.
Why not?
He's looking at his records and all. Not fair.
I'm seeing like what I can listen to for a long time. Anything like some Miles Davis, jazz, Prince, Bruce Springsteen,
For me,
That's why
anything,
any
like I won't
instrumental
mind listening to anything. Anything
Western
that I
classical I can listen to for a while, because I don't have to kind of focus on it, just there in the background. So
Okay.
any Western classical would work for me.
Okay. And for you,
yeah.
Sonam?
For me, there's this composer Nobuo Uematsu, Japanese guy who composes for video games. So his music, I really, really resonate with. I can listen to anytime.
Okay. A song you will never ever remix or recreate.
That's so mean. Like
Friday,
so many.
Friday,
There's so many.
that's
Friday.
the
No,
way
that
to.
is Friday. Gotta get down on Friday.
Uh,
No, I'll never remake that.
Any song that comes out in today's time, like I do not resonate with any, because humans really have become really warped. So I think nothing is coming out with a good intention anymore,
okay.
as much as as much. I mean, it's not enough, the
Okay.
stuff that's coming out.
For you, Venki?
Thank you.
I don't know. It's a tough question for me. Anything. There's so many songs I wouldn't like. I can't think of any song. I can only think of good songs that I wouldn't mind like recreating.
Okay. Okay. Your favorite recreation of recent times.
Recent times.
For me, it would be. I think. Oh, it's coming out. In fact, it's going to come out in a few months. Okay, we can't play it, but yeah, again, it's a Saregama song. So
Okay.
yeah,
Uh,
but
Do you
it's
guys
Yeah, I
same
think we're talking
answer?
about the same song. But
Okay.
yeah. You'll see it. We'll do another interview when it comes out.
the one, yeah.
ठीक है, चलो, I'll give it this to you. If you have to choose a song to describe your life, what would that be?
Very difficult rapid fire questions. These are
These are
like
like
deep rapid fire
rapid fire,
questions.
like yes and no types. This is like
Yeah.
अरे यार,
Wait,
ठीक है.
song to
एक प्यार का
represent your
नगमा
whole life.
एक प्यार का नगमा is like really nice.
Okay,
Like yeah, that's a good song
okay,
because it's very real. I would say
Hmm.
yeah.
right.
Since I can't think of anything right now, I'll go
That's
with
also
what
good.
Sanam saying.
Was that Kish?
I said,
He's
since I
looking
can't think
at
of anything right now, I'm going with your answer. What he said.
Do you
Venki?
have any song, Venki?
let me think of a song. My God, there's so many songs. I like that song. What's that?
Friday.
No,
No,
like
recreation. You're saying our own recreation?
Anything,
Any
I
song
thought,
actually.
any
I thought you
song.
meant like. Okay.
No, any
Yeah,
song.
but
yeah.
any.
Kismat Ki
Circle of
Hawa
Life.
Kabhi
Lion
Naram.
King.
I really like that song.
Okay, acha.
That's something that I can relate to. Kismat Ki Hawa Kabhi Naram. Kabhi Garam. Kabhi Naram. Naram. Come on. Yeah.
Okay. So I have a list of few songs, and you have to assign each to a Bollywood celeb depending on their personality. Okay.
Oh,
So
Wow.
it
half from.
these are your songs only. So the first song is Gulabi Aakhe. Which Bollywood celeb would you like to tag this?
Labi Aankhe.
Wait, I'll tell you. Uh,
Beautiful.
Sanjay Dutt.
Okay, that's really unusual.
I do red, right? So you know, like.
Nice. Yeah.
Uh,
I think one
I don't
answer
know.
from
Maybe
everybody.
for the same song. Okay. Gulabi Aankhe. Maybe Manisha Koirala. Because I remember she had really pretty eyes in Dil Se. And I was
Okay.
like very cool. Yeah.
The second song is Lag Ja Gale.
Oh, Lag Ja Gale for Bollywood celeb. No, oh god, that's difficult. Okay, it doesn't have to be Bollywood celeb.
Okay, chalo, ठीक है.
Yeah,
I'll
this is Bollywood
let
types.
you.
because we don't watch Bollywood movies at
Oh,
all. I mean,
Yeah.
sorry, I don't. Yeah,
I also don't.
oh, why?
Yeah,
Venki, you have
that's
any
what.
answer to that? Gulabi Aake?
Lag Ja
Oh,
Gale.
sorry, Lag Ja
Lag
Gale.
Ja
Yeah.
Gale. Yeah.
Lag Ja Gale. I'm like blanking out when I think about
Yeah, I
Bollywood
know.
celebs. Sorry. It's just
चलो
that
No,
ठीक
it's
है.
not on top of my mind.
अच्छा ठीक है, आपस में से अगर किसी को डेडिकेट करना हो तो किसको होगा?
okay. Lag Ja Gale has to be for us, me, from Nepal.
Nice.
Okay, ठीक है.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah,
You can
I'll dedicate it to Summer because he's not here right now. So Lag Ja Gale.
Same.
Okay, cool. रूप तेरा मस्ताना.
Roop Tera Mastana again. That's me.
Yeah, lucky. He'll just keep saying
अच्छा, there are no Bollywood celebs at all.
I would say Nora Fatehi because she's a very cool dancer and yeah.
ठीक है.
Nice.
And है अपना दिल तो आवारा.
I think this one is dedicated to all four of us.
Yeah.
Apna. I mean, three of them. Sorry, not so the three of them,
Summer
not me, not
also.
me.
Bollywood
Okay.
Bachelor is Salman Khan. So Salman Khan. So
अरे nice.
hey, apna dil to hamara.
Amazing. And lastly, a Bollywood actor or actress you would like to collab with for a music video.
A music
That's me.
video.
Yeah.
That's me.
Maybe somebody can dance really well. That's me.
Yeah, but like
Well,
she or he should be opposite
maybe
you.
Lucky Ali or something. It'd be nice.
yeah.
I mean, it'd be nice to
But
do
Bollywood
Salam with him.
celebrity.
No, he is.
I mean, he's Bollywood royalty.
Okay.
Mahmood sir.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. So
Nice.
he's done movies as well. Like he's acted in movies. So yeah, Lucky Ali, same. Even for me. Yes.
Oh,
Kante.
yeah, right. Cool.
Yeah.
ठीक है, guys, it was amazing to talk to you guys. Like, I really loved having this conversation with you guys. And like, before we sign out, like, can you just end this on a musical note?
Yeah.
Come on, Venki.
Okay, which song do we sing?
You can sing
I
any
think-
you like.
What do you feel like singing, Sarah?
And we can do Apna Dil To Awara itself, no?
चलेगा.
But हम सब नहीं गा पाएंगे because अलग-अलग सुनाई देगा तो it'll sound damn funny to you.
कोई नहीं.
हसीनों ने बुलाया गले से भी लगाया बहुत समझाया यही ना समझा हसीनों ने बुलाया गले से भी लगाया बहुत समझाया यही ना समझा बहुत बोला है बेचारा न जाने किस पे आएगा, है अपना दिल आवारा, न जाने किस पे आएगा.
Thank you so much. That was fab. And thank you guys for your time and all the very
Thank you
best for
so
your
Thank
much.
future
you.
projects. Thank you
Thank
for
you
Thank you
guys.
so
joining me
much.
at E Times. Thank you.
Thank you.
Take care.
Bye.
Thank
Bye.
you.